Hello guys and welcome back in this new video. Today we are going to backtest the easiest free EMA technique by TraderDna rate scalping strategy. I remember you that if you want to try my software, you want more info about it, or you want to backtest your strategy, write me an email that will in the description. But now let's talk about this strategy. Stay until the end of the video because today I'm giving you some important advice in order not to lose money by um, listening to strategy like this one, and you will understand why during the video. But now let's see some examples and I will explain you the condition of this strategy. I remember you that I always leave the link of the video that I'm testing in the description so you can check it for the basic conditions. So the strategy is backtested on these 4x and on the 5-minute interval time frame. Let's take a look at this example on the Euro USD. So it was here. In order to open a short position, you have to check that the EMA 50 is below the EMA 100 and the EMA 100 is below the EMA 200. And this condition must be matched for some candles before you open the position. How many candles? It doesn't say that. First thing that it's not good when you say a trading strategy. So I'm choosing 20 in this case. Then I'm checking by, in order to open a short position, you have to check that the last candle closes below the EMA 50, the RSI must be below 50, and then you have to check that there is a rebound on the EMA 100 and the data doesn't touch the EMA 200. And the last condition is that a support level is broken for a short position. For a long position, a resistance level. And in this case, it was a success. But now let's see some other examples. Sorry, I was talking about this trade here. Let's talk about this one because it is here. As you can see, it was similar at the previous example. The trend line is broken, the conditions on the EMA are matched, and then the last candle closes below the EMA 50. In this case, it was a fail. The stop loss is set to the last maximum, and the risk to reward ratio is 3. For the long position, the stop loss is set to the last minimum, and the risk to reward ratio is always 3. Now let's see another example on the new NZD was here, and as you can see, it was a fail again. The card of the strategy is this. As you can see, I'm checking RSI that the candle closes below the EMA 50. Then I'm checking the condition on the EMA, the rebounds on the EMA 100 and the break of the trend line. And here are the conditions for the sell. Let's reveal the basic result of this strategy. As you can see, this strategy is not profitable. The average success rate to break even is here. 21 is here, so the strategy is not profitable and also not statistically profitable because our lower bound doesn't go past 25. Very, very bad. And another thing that it's very bad is that the number of trades is low, very low. Why is very low? Because basically there are too much conditions in this strategy, and that's not good. That's another point why this strategy doesn't work. And another reason why this strategy doesn't work is basically because you are checking for the break of this support level. Why it doesn't make sense? Basically because here, as you can see, the sell momentum is decreasing. So it doesn't make sense to check for the break of the support because um, the data are basically random because if the super levels touched, but nobody says that the market should go down, and also the moment of sell momentum is decreasing. So this is a red red signal. You can't open a sell position here. It doesn't make sense. And as you can see also here, take a look. Here the market is increasing. There is bullish momentum. So it doesn't make sense to open a position here. I have tried with statistical analysis to improve the strategy, but it wasn't able to. I have only overfitted the strategy by analyzing that. So today we don't use statistical analysis to improve the strategy, but I'm showing you how it is easy with my software to change the parameter of a strategy and backtest it again in some seconds. So, for example, let's say that the RSI should be below 40 for the sell trades and above 60 for the buy. And let's remove the filter of the trend line because in this case it's useless basically. So let's remove this one. Okay, it's here. So by removing the filter on the trend line, I'm increasing the number of trades, and by changing the filter on the other side, I'm reducing it, decreasing the number of trades. But for the purpose of the video, I will try it anyway, only in order to show you how it is easy to backtest a trading strategy in this way, and you can immediately know if it is profitable or not. So let's run again the strategy and let's see how it performs. So as you can see, the number of trades increased. The average success rate is almost the same because this strategy basically doesn't work with any conditions. So don't try this strategy. Never try this strategy in real life. And yeah, in this case, I wasn't able to prove the strategy. It happens. You have to try, and by using a software like this one, in some seconds you have done it, and you know immediately. And yeah, look how many fails there were in a row. So let's try anyway to run the strategy on the test data set, and let's see if the confidence interval is respected, because it is also important to know if we have overfitted or not the strategy. Let's see. So as you can see, the average success rate is in the confidence interval we have calculated before. Sorry, yeah. And yeah, basically the strategy doesn't work. So today I gave you some important advices that you should always use before try real life strategies that you find on the internet, because many of them are not profitable, and if they are profitable they are not publishing it on YouTube for free basically. This channel also is publishing every week a new trading strategy, an high win rate strategy always. So pay attention. I guarantee you that if you try all of them, you will not be profitable. But I remember you that these are not financial advice. You are free to do what you want. The strategy may not perform well like it did in the past. And yeah, for today, I think it's all. I remember you that if you want to try my software, or you want to backtest your strategy, write me the mail that I will leave in the description. And if you want me to test another trading strategy that it is on YouTube, or I can find on internet, write me the strategy in the description. I have already tested some of the strategy that my subscribers suggested me, always for free. So for today is all. See you in a next video. Bye.